MC Mechanics, Megen and Cali show. We are currently working on my '06 Tacoma. We took it in to have it wrapped. That didn't work out very well. Cali and I definitely are learning quite a bit with wrapping, how it goes on. Anyways, not our forte, but we are getting the job done. We have to take the bed from the cab and finish bigger pieces like that, the front of the bed and the back of the cab, to fix that up and make it kind of whole. But in the meantime, we've been, since it's apart and it's in the shop, we've been taking the, we took all the windows out. We are actually on the last one, the driver's side window. We're learning to tint that. Not great, but it doesn't have to be because the Tacoma is a beast. So anyways, it's been a fun learning curve. We learned how to remove the door or inside door panel, the inside the let's see, unplug the door switches, and we've put in new speakers. Like I said, we took out the glass to tint them all, and now that's all coming back together. Anyways, it's been just a fun project. This is my Tacoma. This is my baby, my beastie. We had to remove headlights, grill. Why did we remove the grill?
Because you got to do that to take out the headlights.
So, oh yeah, to finish up the
edges
and stuff, yeah, around the headlights. We actually took off the hood scoop of the hood. That'll have to be Rust-Oleum painted. And then, so we touched up those pieces. We touched Cali, excuse me. She touched up the hood, just kind of sealing the edges and making sure everything looks as good as possible. We're gonna go ahead and instead of wrapping the door mirrors, we're gonna go ahead and we're just gonna get new ones. I think we're gonna get not paint to match, but the black textured, yeah. And well, so this is kind of, if you want to come in here, it's kind of what it looks like right now. So we're down to putting in the last doors here. So it's kind of, I don't know, shop in the truck, I guess. So this was some of the wrap headlights. We got the, actually I think we are going to need to wrap one of the fender flares too. I think we have one left. Yeah.
They're all wrapped.
Oh, are they?
Yeah.
I swear there was something in here that's not, but whatever. So yeah, we just kind of got it all apart. Bit, you know, bolts, screws, every tool you can imagine. We're getting it figured out though. It's really not as scary as it seems.
Let's see what it looks like when after you've already done it.
Okay, yeah. So all nice, beautiful. A lighter tint, which is nice because at least now we don't have to roll the windows down to back up to back out of our driving spot. So that's what it's going to look like. We're going to need to do little things for that. This is the next bigger project. We still have a camper shell too that has to get finished. Callie's going to do that because she's really good with the wrap. But we're going to remove the bed from the cab and wrap those big pieces so that they're not as obvious. Oh yeah, Callie did the driver's side door handle. But this will be the bigger stuff that we're gonna need to wrap. So
we got new tail lights and a back bumper.
Oh yeah. So instead of wrapping the bumper, yeah, for sure.
The stock bumper.
Yeah, the stock bumper. We just went ahead and we're gonna replace it with. I think it'll look a little more like the front one because the front one's custom for what we got going. Yep, change the speakers. So I don't know. I don't really know what more we could run you through it. I mean, kind of don't know what we're doing. I mean, we're doing honestly a lot of YouTubing, me and Callie, to you know, maybe this video will not help somebody else. I have no idea. What do you say, MC? Puppy.
You gonna walk
We're
us? You gonna walk us
super
through
new.
what you did, Callie?
Huh?
You gonna walk us through the work you did?
Huh? We're super new, so it is what it is. I mean,
This is your guys'. This is your
just-
guys' project.
just speak and fumble and trip over your words and get all shaky,
This
and it'll
is-
just work out really well.
This is your guys' project. I'm around a little bit for technical support, but this is your guys' deal.
We really don't rely on John as often.
Yeah, that's a no.
That's a no. That's a big fat no. We love him, but yes, you are emotional support. More emotional support, for real. More emotional. But, yep, anyway, so that's kind of where we're at. This is the overall view of the Tacoma. I mean, we did the rocker molding. We had to get it all lined up and unified. So,
It's hard with a red truck because you still see
yeah, it's red accent.
you still see red accents. Like it's hard to change the color of a vehicle with a wrap. That's what they don't tell you.
Yeah, but we really don't care. I mean, it's 2006 and there is a crazy amount of miles on
It's
there.
kind of just our beater truck, anyways.
And I don't even really like to say that because we don't really beat on it unless we go on like recoveries or something.
It's our
But,
truck. We don't worry about getting mud in or hauling the dogs in or
yeah, for sure.
any of that stuff. Like it's
Like
our work truck.
And you can't ever replace a good truck. Like, it's irreplaceable, and I love it. So, yep, she's a beast. So, I like it like this instead of the 5 shades of red it was before. Yeah,
This thing's had some paint work done on it a handful of times.
it's kind of hard getting Callie out here because she's got school and then volunteering. Yeah, so she kind of helps as she can and learns a new trade, and I think that's really important for me. It's cool. Then like somebody else will be like, "Hey, tint my windows," and you'll be like, "Hey, I have the tint."
Yeah, no, tint sucks.
Yeah, that's true too. Yeah, but it did get your guys' bubbles out. So, yeah. Anyways, all right, that is it for today. That's a good one. It for today.